Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video. I have a 20 by 24 inch canvas that I'm going to be working on. This is an Artist Loft canvas. Got it at Michael's when they had their 70% off. So I'm going to be doing pearl pour, and I might add in a swipe. Not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. Kind of depends on what I get with my pearls. So we'll just go through some colors real quickly. I have some golden fluids that I wanted to use today, so I ended up mixing up a whole batch of new paints, so we can go through them. All right, so I have my white base coat. My recipe will be in my description box. I have my white base coat. I have a gray base coat. It's going to be a split, and this actually is the way I got the gray is everything normal, like the base coat, with half part of Artist Loft white, and then I have a friend that I recently made, and she makes chalk paint, and this was called Dove's Gray, and she gave me a sample to try out. So I added a little bit of this chalk paint to it and a little iridescent medium by Liquitex Basics. So I'm going to see what happens with the chalk paint. And this is a homemade chalk paint, so she told me she makes it with plaster of Paris and paint, so pretty cool. I actually painted some furniture with it, and it came out great, so I wanted to try it in a painting. All right, so that's my other base today. Then I have, right in here, I have Payne's Gray mixed with a little iridescent medium, and these are the golden fluid acrylics. Then I have some golden teal, Blue Lagoon, this is called. Pretty color. And that's the golden fluid as well. And then I made this one. I want it like a deep, dark teal, greenish blue. So I think I got that. And this was a mix of phthalo blue and, oops, wrong one, red oxide. That's what gave me that color, which is kind of weird, but you'd think it would be more of like a purple, but the way the red oxide worked just kind of gave it a little blue undertone. So next I have gold. I have some metallic Modern Masters, and this is tequila gold, and to that gold, because it was a little too yellowy or mustardy, I added some metallic pearl white by Modern Masters and a little of the titanium white by Goldens to tone that down. Okay, and then in this one I have what is this? This is the Flash Blue by Modern Masters. So this is a color shift. Cool. And then in this one, I have Prussian Blue mixed with the Modern Masters Pearl White. And I got that pretty kind of grayish pearly blue. I don't know what to call it, but it's pretty. But anyway, so that's my color palette today. So yeah, we're gonna give this a shot. Oh, I also have the cloud mixture that I've had mixed up for a while. I just keep it in a big batch, and this is just a white cloud over mixture, and that's, again, the recipe is down in the description. But yeah, all right, so I'm gonna get my table set up and get started here.
You tell me you're scared. Tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think, and I know it's hard. rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, still be here. We'll fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
Could you bring some light to me? butterflies.